Competency based summative assessment. Confirm assessment plan and organizational and ethical requirements for conducting assessment. Check the materials, physical resources and other details of the assessment plan are in place and amend assessment plan if required. Review assessment tools and infrastructure to confirm evidence, requirements and criteria against which candidate is to be assessed. Explain, discuss and clarify details of the assessment plan and the assessment process with the candidates, including opportunities for assessment, reasonable adjustment, reassessment and appeals. Explain context and purpose of assessment to candidates in line with the requirements of the relevant assessment guidelines. Apply principles of assessment and the rules of evidence in gathering assessment evidence. Use agreed assessment methods and tools to gather, organize and document evidence in a format suitable to determine competence. Incorporate reasonable adjustment during assessment to accommodate candidates' needs and characteristics in line with the assessment guidelines. Examine collected evidence and make assessment decision in line with agreed assessment plan. The assessment criteria and rubrics provided by the assessment body. Use professional judgment to infer whether competence has been demonstrated based on available evidence and rules of evidence. Record assessment outcomes promptly and accurately according to assessment policies and procedures and organizational requirements. Complete and process assessment records ethically and securely according to agreed procedure. Inform relevant parties of the assessment decision according to confidentiality requirements and organizational procedures. Evaluate own assessment practice. Give clear and constructive feedback on the assessment outcome and process to the appropriate authority in accordance with contractual and organizational requirements. Explore ways with the training, organization and other relevant authorities of overcoming any candidate's gaps in competency. Maintain confidentiality at all times when recording and reporting assessment decisions in line with organizational policy and procedures.